Welcome to Baking with me, Monique Ortega. I will be showing you how to bake a French vanilla double layer cake. And not only will I be showing you how to teach a cake, but I'll be giving you tips and tricks on how to make this your perfect cake yet. And there are 6 main steps to baking, which is preheating, prepping, mixing, baking, cooling, and decorating. Okay, preheating your oven. Preheating your oven is very important before prepping and mixing because according to Mr. Foods, preheating your oven will result in either a perfect cake or a sunken in cake. Okay, prepping, which is gathering all the tools and ingredients you will need. For this particular cake, you will need Duncan Hines French vanilla, strawberries, whipped cream, 2 eggs instead of 3, liquid measuring cup, an egg beater, 2 round 9-inch cake pans, vegetable oil, and a rubber spatula. Okay, mixing. After getting all your ingredients correct, it is time to mix. And be sure to follow the directions precisely and how to mix the ingredients. Okay, tips and tricks on how to lower cholesterol in your cake. According to Mr. Foods, using 2 eggs instead of 3 not only will make your cake more fluffy, but it will lower the cholesterol plus a little bit of calories in your cake. Okay, baking. After adding batter to both of your 9 round-inch cake pans, place pans directly in the middle of your oven. Okay, tips and tricks on how to prepare and fill your cake pan to ensure the cake doesn't stick to the pan. What you want to do is get your parchment paper, place it directly on your table, grab your 9-inch cake pan, set it directly in the middle, and you want to draw a line or a circle around the pan, cut it out, and place it directly on the cake pan. And on top of the cake pan, you want to add room temperature butter. After adding the butter, you want to place flour, rotate the flour, and just tap to get all the excess flour out, and then add your ingredients and place it in to bake. Okay, cooling. Please make sure your cake is cooled before frosting. If not, the whipped cream will melt and the strawberries will not stay in place and they will fall. Okay, have you ever wondered when you bake a cake, it starts to form a dome shape instead of being flat? That's because when you place it in the oven, the rims, they will heat up first, and that causes the cake on the edges not to rise, and in the middle, it cooks evenly and slowly, and that's what forms the dome shape. So if you don't want that to happen, according to James Peterson, all you have to do is just grab a wet towel, place it around, and that's how you cook it, and you'll cook straight. Okay, preparing for decorating. As you see in the picture here, all you have to do is just cut your strawberries just like that. You don't want them too thin or too thick. If you cut them too thin, so they'll just go directly into the whipped cream, and it won't give the effect. And if you make them too thick, they'll just fall right off and they won't stay. Okay, decorating, which is everyone's favorite part. After they're both cooked, just take out one, place it on where you want to, on the plate you want to have your cake on. Add the frosting. The frosting that I use is from Fry's. It's the frosting they use on their own personal cakes, and it doesn't melt as fast. And then just place your strawberries, leaving no whipped cream in between. Place the other cake and do the same thing. Apply whipped cream around the cake and just add your frosting. And there you go. And that's your double layer French